What are you doing? What's Grandpa doing out there? Is he cleaning the pool? Oh my. I like your jammies. Let's see. Oh, those are superhero jammies. Wow. It's even got the stomach, you know, like he's got a six-pack.
I think I got those at Nordstrom Rack.
Oh.
They have a lot of baby clothes that are, I mean, you know.
Whoopsie. Oh, there he goes with Grandma's shoes. You can't wear a superhero costume and wear girls' shoes. Jeepers.
I can do whatever I want. That's why
you're gonna fall over. Oh, now he's going for Gramps' shoes. Okay. You gonna wear Gramps' shoes? I think they're too big. What kind of superhero are you? Say hi to the ducky. Hi, ducky. You can turn the light on. You can turn the light on. Here. Ooh, I like your cape. Look at that. Wow. That's pretty cool. Where are you going? Oh my goodness. Here, come to Gram. No. That book's too big for you.